Behind the design, lateral heel skive. This client needed a custom orthotic to provide lateral orthotic reaction force at the heel. It was in a flexible supinated foot type, symptomatic for related tissue stress pathology. The aim of this orthotic was to apply a lateral orthotic reaction force with a combination of intrinsic and extrinsic prescription variables. They used the DOLA custom orthotic service. They selected the depth of the lateral heel skive using the digital correction section of the DOLA detailed prescription form. The lateral heel skive creates an intrinsic in-shell valgus or lateral wedge shape to the dorsal orthotic surface at the heel. The depth of skive can be prescribed by the practitioner. The lab standard angle is 15 degrees. For more information on this technique, please refer to the articles of Dr. Kirby. Orthotip. The lateral orthotic reaction force, or pronatory moment, created by the skive is a combination of the depth and angle prescribed. It is a popular prescription option because it is intrinsic shell variable, therefore helping with footwear fit. Things to consider with the application of this prescription variable include the heel size or heel cup width, the subtalar joint axis location, the area lateral to the subtalar joint axis, and as an intrinsic variable, it is challenging to remove or adjust.